everyone, Mike Wolf here coming to you from beautiful Belize, and today I want to talk to you about vacation homes. And if you're checking out this video, chances are you want to know, should you buy a vacation home somewhere? And so I've got a couple of thoughts on that topic because I'm actually on a cruise ship right now, and every port we go to there's one particular person that I keep having dinner with, and he wants to buy a property everywhere he goes. So I thought I would make a video on this topic because a lot of people, especially if you live in Canada or northern US or somewhere cold, it's very tempting to buy a vacation property somewhere warm. And of course, one of the problems we have is a lot of times it's a very emotional decision. And I'm not saying don't buy a vacation home, but what I am saying is there's a few things you should consider before you do that. One, what are the ownership laws in the place that you want to go to? Number two, if you're like the person on the ship, are you going to want to stay in that place, or after a little while are you going to say, oh man, I wish, you know, Belize is great, but man, I wish I had something in Costa Rica. And then, now you're stuck going to that same place year after year after year. And if you're like me, I don't like to keep going to one place. I love to travel the globe, look at different places. So for most people, I would recommend, actually for all people, I would recommend that, don't buy while you're in a port on a cruise ship. Don't buy if you vacation somewhere and it's you're there for a week. Don't make an emotional decision. Wait till you get back home. Maybe go there a couple of times. See if living there is something you want to do. Because quite often when you go on a vacation, you're in a different frame of mind. If you live somewhere and you see the same place day after day after day, and you deal with the normal life gets in the way. After the honeymoon phase of being in this place, it might not be that appealing. I know so many people that have bought properties in numerous different countries and then ended up coming back, and they ended up being bored, or they didn't fit in with the culture. They didn't fit in because they didn't know the language. There's a whole bunch of different reasons why I see people come back. So to me, I personally love to invest in stuff that gives me cash flow. It's no emotion. I buy it in the place that gives me the best returns. Right now it's Atlanta, Georgia, and I don't invest in places just because I like to vacation in them. I will stay in a hotel, I'll stay in an Airbnb, and I've been investing in real estate for 28 years, and I can tell you that I've been to a ton of places where I would have loved to have owned property if it was an emotional move. If I said, hey, I want to stay in Costa Rica more often, as an example, or Thailand, or wherever. But the bottom line is, each time I go to a new country, I'm grateful that I'm not tied to any one property, and I can just bounce around the world and stay in hotels. All the while, that's being paid for by my properties that I own, that I made a smart business decision on, because they're giving me a great cash flow and good returns on my investment. So that's what you want to look at before you jump in. Give some consideration to that. So I hope you have found this beneficial. If you did, please like and share this video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You get all my latest videos as I create them. And I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and we shall talk soon. Take care.